Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is a Wantable day. The last time my box was pretty good. It was not a bad box. Wantable is one of those styling services, and I'll have all the information down below in the description box, as well as a link for $25 off your first box. And I will get $25 off my next box if you use my link. Wantable sends you 7 pieces. You have 5 days to try them on. Keep what you love, send back what you don't in their postage paid envelope. Here's the return envelope. Anyway, their styling fee is $21.65 is what I pay. Anything you keep, that $21.65 goes towards your purchase, or whatever your $20 turns out to be. Let's get into this one. Always a note from your stylist, like all the other ones. My stylist is Kenzie. Right. Let's start with this. This is the short sleeved crew neck top with button in chili, size medium, by Tribal. Cute. It's a cute little t-shirt. It's got the button detail on both sides. Pretty soft, feels pretty good. Then next, let's see what this might be. This is a roll-up cuff linen shirt in moss, size medium, by Maddie M. Okay, that's pretty cute too. I don't know that I love the color, but it's cute with the rolled up sleeves. Oh, that's pretty cute. Okay, this looks cute. Well, let's go with this one that's falling over. Okay, more of these big pants. Super cute. Again, this is the Geo Tribal Palazzo crop trouser in khaki, size medium, and apricot. Is this the right one? By apricot, not in apricot. Okay. Very cute. And it does have this tribal pattern. It's got the khaki and the cream. Very cute. Very cute. Very cute. This looks super cute. Sorrento print maxi dress in tropical, size medium, in pink martini. This looks really cute. If I can find the top of it. Okay. Very cute. Looks a little small. But what a pretty fun pattern. There's the front and there's the back, and it's got looks like an empire waist. Looks like, maybe not with the stretch. And then the ruffle sleeve dolman popover and geo floral print by Liverpool. Okay, this is an interesting print. It's kind of khaki green and kind of a limey green, not lime. I don't know what green that would. Oh, interesting detail, which I'll show you closer in the try on, but interesting detail on the sleeves. Stretchy sleeves and then stretchy around the waist, and then the back. Very interesting. Okay, and Sure Thing long short in indigo, size 28. Oh, I hope I can get them on, by Silver Lining Jean Company. These are cute. High-rise, eco-friendly. Okay. And then last we have Meg High Rise Fab Ab Wide Leg in Lemon. Oh, by cut from the cloth. Oh, wide leg. Well, these are cute. Size 6. All right. Pretty cute things. Let me go try them on and we'll see what we think. I'll be right back. Very pleasantly surprised that I liked this top, and I think it's pretty cute. It is the roll-up cuff linen shirt in moss by Maddie M. And linen tells you why it's so wrinkled, but I think this is really cute. It's a little tight across the chest for me, but so cute. Really cute. And I didn't think that, I thought the colors look really good together, but I didn't think that I was gonna like this top with the palazzo pants, but I do. It's pretty cute. What do you think? The palazzo pants are the Geo Tribal Palazzo crop trouser in khaki, size medium, and they are $48. They were originally $64, on sale for $48. There's the back. I didn't tell you that with Wantable, if you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off your total order. Plus you get your $21.65 styling fee back. So, and then if you use my link and you get $25 off, that's a pretty good deal. Here's this. Let me untuck this. Show you how long it is. The top of these pants. The back has a stretch waist, and then the front, and then it's got this cute little tie. And then this shirt is pretty long in front and in back. So super cute. This would be really cute with jeans or with a khaki pants. Very cute. I'll be back with the next outfit. All right. This is a short sleeved crew neck top with buttons in chili by Tribal, $48. It's pretty cute. It's just a cute little top. The shorts are the Sure Thing long short in indigo, size 28 by Silver Jean Company, $58. They're not long, and they don't come untucked, so they can't be made to be longer, but they're okay. They're not something that I would wear just too tight, and I'm not that comfortable in shorts anymore. But here's the shirt untucked. Back again. So I will be back with the next outfit. These are the Meg High Rise Fab Ab Wide Leg in Lemon cut from the cloth, size 6, $99. And the top is the ruffle sleeve dolman popover and Geo Floral print, size medium by Liverpool, $66. I think the top is really cute. Look at this detail, the ruffle kind of detail on the sides, and then it feels a little big. It keeps wanting to fall off of my broad shoulders. It's got the elastic at the waist, elastic at the arms. The cut from the cloth jeans fit great, like cut from the cloth does with me. But for me personally, hold on, got a hair. This I think would be cuter on me with slimmer jeans. And then I think these would be cuter on me with a more fitted top than the bulk and the bulk. But also, I just don't know that I will ever like me in these wide legs. As much as I'm trying, I just haven't gotten there yet. So I'll be back with the last outfit, the dress, if I can get it on. I'll be back. Okay, this is the Sorrento print maxi dress in Tropical by Pink Martini, size medium, $98. This is really cute. It's really cute. I'm surprised. I mean, I thought it was cute, but I was surprised I liked it on me. I didn't think I was going to. It does have this slit in the front. It's very cool. Really cute, really cute. This is pretty low, and I have on like kind of a sports bra, so I had to be kind of careful with that. But, and then the back, not sure how that looks. It ties. I don't know what kind of job I did, but, and I know there's like a tag situation going on back there, but how cute is this little dress? So cute. So, wow. I mean, this is great for like a wedding, a summer wedding. The total for all 7 pieces is $485, and then if you kept the keep 5 plus, so if you kept all 7, you get $97 off, which would be like this dress free, or what was the other? Oh, or the yellow pants free. So that would be the order subtotal would be $388 minus the $21.65, and then the tax. My tax would be $32.01, bringing the grand total to $398.36, which that's not going to happen. But I will watch it back and see if I would want to keep the palazzo pants and or the top that I wore with it, or this dress. Probably wouldn't keep all. I do too many boxes to keep as much stuff as I want, plus I just don't need a whole lot. This might be kind of a need, just for, it's pretty cute. Let me know what you think. That is it for this Wantable box. Really good box, Kenzie. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.